Hey, welcome to the video. If you're having the issue with your Sony WH-1000XM3 headphones, where it doesn't reset when you hold the power button and noise cancelling button, and when you plug it in into the charger, you don't see a red LED. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve the problem. You want to first turn off your headphones and locate the right ear cup. Then you want to remove the right ear cup cushion using a prying tool, such as scissors or a knife, or if you have an actual prying tool, will do. Then slowly pry it open by moving around and popping it out slowly. After opening it, you will see another cushion for the speaker. You want to slowly remove it without tearing it, since it might have a little glue stuck to the chassis. Then, after removing it, you want to get a size 3 Phillips screwdriver and remove the 4 bottom long screws that hold the right ear cup. Once you got the screws out, you want to remove the right ear cup slowly without tearing the light blue waterproofing layer or without pulling on the cable connecting the touchpad to the ear cup. After slowly getting that out the way, you want to disconnect the battery. After disconnecting the battery, you want to plug in the USB-C charger to see if the LED will turn on, which will show the port is not the problem, rather the battery or the motherboard. So after checking, you want to disconnect the USB-C power cord. Then you want to reconnect the battery connector. After reconnecting the battery, try connecting the USB-C power cable. If the LED turns red, it's charging. If not, there might be a problem with your battery which will need replacement. Or your battery is just full of charge, which I'm assuming is not the case. After reconnecting it, it should work. Then you want to cover the back and make sure the blue waterproof layer is right in place. Look out for these points when putting the back cover on so you don't damage it. Then you want to screw the 4 long screws back. And place the inner speaker cushion back. My inner cushion that lays on the speaker was a little torn, so I had to use a bit of glue to fix it back up again. After putting the inner cushion on, you want to put the main cushion back on and make sure you don't miss the point to put it back on. And once placed correctly, you want to press it back in and make sure it's correctly placed all around the ear cup. After doing that, you should hopefully have a functional headphone that can charge and function. After doing that, you should hopefully have a functional headphone that could charge and a functional charging LED. Thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you on the next one.